In this video, I will show you how to create a Reddit ads account. So if you want to start running ads on Reddit, what you want to do is just open up a browser and search for Reddit ads. And from there, just scroll past the ads until you see Reddit ads. So the link is ads.reddit.com. And from there, it will take you here. Now from there, just go and click get started. And from there, you can then create your account. So you can just enter your email, a username and password. But what you can also do is, if you already have a normal Reddit account, is log in with that Reddit account. Now I'll just continue with Google. So from there, it'll say, welcome to Reddit ads. Then to set up your account, just enter your username. So it can be, for example, your business name, then your first and last name, your legal business name, and your business website. Now the business website is not necessary, but you can add it if you want. Then they will ask what kind of a business are you. For example, I will say gaming, and then just click next. Then we'll ask where is your business located and which currency do you use. So from there, just go and click on finish. And then it will take you to the Reddit ads manager. And from there, you can start creating your Reddit ads. So now you know how to create a Reddit ads account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.